chicken breasts are ready, very ready. So guys, as you saw before, I have already prepared my chicken breast. I've left it to marinate, so I'm going to prepare them with green beans. So for my green beans, I have a carrot, I have ginger and garlic and pili pili, then I have tomatoes. So let me cut them and start preparing them. This is my pot. So what I'll do is I'll add my green peas here, green beans, sorry. Then I'll add some few water. Then I'll cover it. Just what I've done is I've just kept my green beans. Then I've added salt and some few water. Then I'll cover and cook it for like 15 minutes. At our green beans, they have cooked for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to remove them. Our green beans are here. These are our green beans. And then we have our ingredients here. So we have our tomato, carrot, onions. Then we have our minced ginger, garlic, pili pili. So these are our ingredients. Added olive oil and some onions. So let's cook the onions. I've used the white onions. Let's cook the onions till they're ready. So our onions are ready. I'll just add the minced ginger, garlic, pili pili. So this is our minced ginger, garlic, pili pili. Just stir. Leave it for a minute or seconds, like 20 seconds for it to get ready. Added my tomato and carrot. I just added my tomatoes and my carrots, so I'll just mix them up. Then I'll cover for them to become ready. So let us cover it for it to get ready. So now let's add our green beans. I would add some thyme. This is thyme. I just added few thyme. So now let's cover it. Chicken breast. So let's start cooking our chicken breast. So it has marinated for about 20 minutes, then I'll cover it and we'll keep on checking it as it cooks. So this is our chicken breast. That is how it's getting along. So let's leave it for some other 5 minutes as I cover it. So our green beans is getting along so well. So I just checked it. So this is how it is. So I just turned the chicken breast, so this is the other side. So let the other side cook also. So this is how it has come out. I'll cover it again and leave it for some maybe 6-7 minutes and it will be cooked. Chicken breasts are ready. This other one got a little bit burnt, but they are ready to eat. Very, very ready. So these are chicken breasts. This is how I cook my chicken breast. I just place few oil down, I marinate it, then I cover it so they are ready. Green beans are ready. They are ready. They come out very delicious. I just tasted one. And and they are totally ready. So these are green beans that I cook with tomato, garlic, ginger, and some carrots.